Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Alia Zahanifa. My student ID 231152028, and I take a video to uh, full assignment 11 about administration. So, first question: which field is a good primary key? More than one answer might be possible. One, in the context of database, the primary key is a column or combination of columns that uniquely identifies each row in a table. Here, the analysis for each given table. 1. Club member database table. Field titles: first name, last name, email address, membership number, address, and phone number. And good primary key: membership number. Reason: membership number are usually unique for each club member, thus can be used to uniquely identify each member. 2. Company product database table. Column titles: product name, product price, unit quantity, and barcode. Good primary key: barcode. Reason: barcodes are generally unique for each product and can be used to uniquely identify each product item. 3. Hospital patient database table. Column titles: last name, first name, admission date, bed number, case number, national ID card number, and good primary key: national ID card number or KTP or case number. Reason: national ID card number are unique for each individual in Indonesia, thus can be used as the primary key. Alternatively, the case number can also be used if each hospital patient case has a unique number. So, for each table, the good primary keys are 1. Membership number for the club member table, 2. Barcode, the company product table, 3. National ID card number, KTP or case number for the hospital patient table. Next to question 2. What table, field, and primary key that you could use for records in database in the case? First case 1 or one case, dental patient database. In table, patient. Field, patient ID, unique ID for each patient primary key. First name, patient first name. Last name, patient last name. Date of birth, patient date of birth. And address, patient address. Phone number, patient phone number. Email, patient email address. Medical history, patient medical history. And primary key, patient ID. Table appointment. Field, appointment ID, unique ID for each appointment, primary key. Patient ID, of the patient associated with the appointment, foreign key from patient table. Dentist ID, the dentist conducting the appointment, foreign key from dentist table. Appointment date of the appointment, appointment time of appointment, reason or purpose of the appointment. Primary key, appointment ID, foreign key, patient ID, dentist ID. Table, dentist. Field, one dentist ID, unique ID for each dentist. Primary key. First name, dentist first name, dentist last name. Dentist specialization, example orthodontist, periodontist, and dentist phone number, email or dentist email address, and primary key dentist ID. 2. Language school student database. First table, student. Field, Student ID, unique ID for each student, primary key. Student first name, student last name, student date of birth, student address, student phone number, student email address, and primary key student ID. Table 2, course field, course ID, unique ID for each course, primary key, name of the course, description of the course, start date of the course, and end date of the course, ID of the teacher conducting the course, foreign key from teacher tables, primary key course ID, foreign key teacher ID. Table 3, enrollment field, enrollment ID, unique ID for each enrollment, primary key, student ID, ID of the student enrolling in the course, foreign key from the student table, course ID, ID of the course being enrolled in, foreign key from course table, enrollment date, date of enrollment, primary key enrollment ID, foreign key, student ID, course ID. Table 4, teacher field, teacher ID, unique ID for the teacher, primary key, teacher first name, teacher last name, teacher specialization, example English, Spanish, and blah blah blah. Phone number, teacher phone number, teacher email address, and primary key teacher ID. 3, travel agency flight ticket database. Table, first table, customer field, customer ID, unique ID for each customer, customer first name, customer last name, customer date of birth, customer address, customer phone number, customer email address, customer passport number, and primary key customer ID. Table 2, flight field, flight ID, unique ID for each flight, primary key, flight number, flight airline name, departure airport, arrival airport, departure time, arrival time, and primary key flight ID. Table 3, ticket field, ticket ID, unique ID for each ticket, primary key, customer ID, ID of the customer who purchased the ticket, foreign key from customer table, flight ID, ID of the flight associated with the ticket, foreign key from flight table, seat number on the plane, booking date, date of ticket booking, primary key ticket ID, foreign key customer ID, and flight ID. 4, online multiplayer game database. Table, players, first table, players field, player ID, unique ID for each player, primary key, player's username, player's email address, player password, that the player joined, and primary key player ID. Table 2, games fields, game ID, unique ID for each game, primary key, name of the game, genre of type the game, example RPG, FPS, and blah blah blah. Release date of the game, and primary key game ID. Table 4, players game field, players game, unique ID for each player game entry, primary key, and ID of the player playing the game, foreign key from players table, ID of the game being played, foreign key from game table, time the player start playing the game, time the player stop playing the game, current score in the game, current level in the game, and current save state of the game, data need to resume the game, primary key player's game ID. For foreign key, player ID, game ID. The schemas are designed to handle the various operational needs of each database system, allowing for structured and consistent data storage while supporting referential integrity between different tables. Okay, maybe that's all from me. See you the next video. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Dah.